Okay guys, here we have the Apollo RFZ X16 as it says. It is up here on the stand. About to get into dismantling it. It does run, but there's something wrong with the engine, so basically what happens is as you drive, the sprocket will just catch, like, and it's something inside the transmission. The engine runs great, runs whatever, but we're going to drain the oil out, get it taken apart and figure out what's wrong with it. And I'm going to put you on a time lapse, because everybody likes time lapse. Save time. So, number one, GoPro's about to go dead, so if it does, this video will be short. Nonetheless, motor is out of bike. Parts are off of motor. What's left of main motor be here. Main motor be taken apart by tomorrow. So, look at that, guys. Okay, quality control 5. Yeah, buddy. Clearly it's not okay right now. Perfect. Much better. No, it might actually run right. Broken 8. Bye. Yeah. Because it's good motor, you know. Like, solid piece of machinery, yeah, buddy. Some engine parts and yeah. Woo! Yeah. Man, I already took this side off. We got a lot to take off. You gotta take like all this off. Like wink. Engine parts inside, find the part. And then I gotta take apart the other motor, find that part, put it in. That's how it works.
1.4 centimeters.
Yeah, it's a 125cc 4-stroke. It's pretty normal as far as Chinese bikes go. Yes, I have a case of the hiccups if you're wondering. That's why I'm like,
We got the teardown started. Looking nice. Do
you think I need to take the valves off?
Yeah, I don't think so. Split it. You will need to take this out though.
Yeah, I connect straight through it, probably.
Because these Chinese motors are very, very complex.
We usually don't take the motors apart, we usually just buy a new one, but this one runs really well, which is usually the problem that it's not there. It runs really well, just the transmission doesn't work right.
So, we're starting to tear down. Yeah, so we found the problem. That's not supposed to be separate.
It's supposed to be right there.
Right there. Oh, gone. Yeah.
What's up with this gear? This gear might need, I think this one. If we have it, we'll replace it. They're a little broke off here and there. Some of them are less pointed than others.
So that one.
This is the main one.
Yeah.
nice and smooth there.
Looks good. Those all seem to look pretty good. Spacers.
That one looks good.
Yep. Ooh, that's smooth.
And there's the problem. That's why so this shaft spins in fourth gear, but this was just causing it to catch, even if it was just spinning. But when it got to fourth gear, it was in its highest gear all the way over here, and it was using this gear. That's why I was like,
Yep. Yeah. Now we're gonna.
Boys and girls, that's all it was.
Now we're gonna get tear on the other one.
Put her back together.
Yep. More time lapse.
I think that's good for me. Got my tool in to take this flywheel off. What we've decided to do is
You haven't told them about the engine.
Oh yeah, this engine is a little different, which was what we were kind of concerned about, but nonetheless the gears don't match up. So we got a bunch of parts here. This is one engine. There's another engine over here. So we're gonna put this crank in the bottom end of that engine, because that's what's broken. So we're gonna put this crank. We're probably gonna use this top end as well, because this one's running really good right now. So we're probably gonna use this top end and that crank, and then that's the transmission. And we're gonna use this transmission, because this is completely fine except for the crank, which is what I'm pulling off right now. When I get it off, I can show you what it looks like. It's pretty messed up.
You had to order the tool.
Yeah, this is the tool I had to order. I didn't have a flywheel puller for this kind of flywheel.
Yeah.
So I have to get this flywheel pulled off. I pulled it off on the other one in a certain way. It's not designed, but I couldn't get it off.
Now we have this type of flywheel puller. Because they're probably going to need it again. Well, so, back to time lapse. And it's out. The gear's different. This is a timing gear.
This one, right? Yeah, it's timing chain gear. So I'm wondering if I should leave that one on because I'm using the top end. But I gotta use this timing chain. That's what we'll see. That's what I gotta do.
Yeah.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
You gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah. More time lapse.
Cases ready to go back together. Working on just taking the seal off. This seal is just really bad. It's really cool.
Yeah. All the seals are really bad. Most of them. There's the other one.
And we do not want to leak oil. It's not fun to leak oil. So
Yes, it's great. No, that's great. Got the other seal.
not
That
very
one.
much cool.
No, that would not be very cool.